If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and get the best tutorial on different learning topics. Also, hit bell icon to get notification on every upload so that you will not miss any of my video. Hi, myself Shreyukta. Welcome you to my channel Alokik the Learning Space. In my last video, I have covered basic introduction of Microsoft Word. You can check the link below in description box. In that, I have explained what is Microsoft Word, its structure, and how to create new file. Now, we will learn ribbon and tab in Microsoft Word. Okay, so in every document we can see ribbon at the top, which consists tab and its group of specific command. Let's see how many tabs are there. First is File tab. Second, Home. Next, Insert. Design. Page layout. Reference. Mailing, review, and view. Okay. Apart from this, there is one more tab, that is Contextual tab, which are not part of basic ribbon. And when it appears, Contextual tab gets activated on insertion of any image, table, and charts. See, if we insert the image, then Contextual tab activated. You can see I have marked red and Picture Tools Format tab got activated as I have inserted the image. If we insert the table, then Contextual tab activated. Which one? Table Tools Design tab. Okay, there are two tabs getting open. First one is Design tab and second one is Layout tab. If we insert the table, then we will get two contextual tab activated, that is Design and Layout. Next is if we insert the chart, then again two contextual tab gets activated. First one is Chart Tool Design tab and the next one is Format tab. You can see on my screen. Fine. Now let's check tab and its group of related command. Now our first tab is File tab. Let's check its group. Info, New, Open, Save, Save as, Print, Share, Export, Close, Account, Option. This File tab, we will see it's different from other ribbon tabs. Microsoft call this area as backstage. You will find common tasks such as opening, saving, printing, exporting the document, etc. etc. Okay, next move ahead. Home tab. Let's check its group. Clipboard, Font, Paragraph, Style, Editing. This tab helps us to change the font and font attribute of text. It customizes paragraph. There is inbuilt style also for use, find, replace option, etc. Next is Insert tab. Its group Pages, Table, Illustration, Add-ins, Media, Link, Comments, Head and Footer, Text, Symbol. As name suggests, it helps us to insert tables, picture, charts, hyperlinks, bookmark, header and footer. Okay, next. Design tab. Let's check its group Document Formatting and Page Background. It works with documents overall design. You can choose theme and style for document, customize text color and font paragraph spacing for whole document, add watermark, Customize page, background, color or borders. Okay, next. Page layout tab. It's group, page setup, paragraph, arrange. With the help of this tab, you can change margin, page size and orientation, align objects, etc. Next is reference tab. It's group, table of content, footnotes, citation and bibliography, captions, index, table of authority. Here you can insert footnote, endnote, you can see all footnotes, endnote and can insert citation, etc. Next is mailing tab. It's group, create, start mail merge, write and insert field, preview result, finish. As the name suggests, you can do anything relating to mailing tasks. Next is review tab. It's group, proofing, language, comments, tracking, change, compare, protect. You can check here spelling and grammar, work in markup mode, etc. Next is view tab. Groups, views, show, zoom, window, macros. With this tab, you can change the view. You can switch the view to read, print layout, web layout, outline, draft, show and hide ruler and guidelines. You can show navigation plane, zoom the document, etc. etc. With view tab, we have completed our default tab and specific group. Now we will move towards contextual tabs. When we insert an image, we get picture tools format tabs. Let's check its group. Adjust, picture style, arrange, size. It helps us to do anything from cropping the image to positioning it on page. See, when we insert the table, we get two contextual tabs. First, we will see design tab. Let's check its group. Table style option, table style, border. And next is layout tab. Its group is table, draw, rows and column, merge, cell size, alignment, data. With design tab, you can control the table type, while the layout tab help us to specify the number of rows. We can merge the cell, sort the table data, etc. etc. Next is when we insert a chart, we get two contextual tabs, that is design tab. Let's check its group. Chart, layout, chart style, data and type. And format tab, its group, current selection, insert shape, shape style, word art, style, arrange and size. See, with design tab, you can set the chart look and what data appear in it. With format tab, we can change the style of shape and lines in the chart. I hope you have understood all these tabs. Here we complete our introduction part of ribbon and tab. The complete topic of ribbon and tabs. I hope you have understood this topic. In case of any doubt, please write in comment box. And if you like my video, please hit like button and share with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Aloki the Learning Space. Thank you.